Okay, today we are going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth device to the Buick Encore in 3 easy steps. First step, make sure that your car is turned on along with your cell phone. Second step, you'll need to open up your Bluetooth page on both your cell phone and the Encore. And to do that, what you'll have to do is touch the phone icon on the Encore. Once that pops up, you'll see a screen that says Pair Device. Click on Pair Device. It will then give you a Buick Interlink name along with a code. It should simultaneously pop up on your cell phone. Click Buick Interlink on your cell phone. It will then ask you if the PIN is the same. It will always be the same. Hit Pair on your phone and Yes on the car. And you are done. This next step, it asks you if you want to allow your contacts. I personally allow it, that way I know who's calling me when they call. And boom, you're done. Now your calls will come in, your text messages will come in along with your music from your phone.